YouTube, man, what's good, man? It's your boy HB3 one time in the building. And today I'm going to be talking to y'all about one of the biggest misconceptions in the wave game when it comes to waivers just trying to come in and do their thing and stuff like that. So stay tuned. Did you see that? Did you see that? So yeah, that's a little different, ain't it? So I decided to kind of do an upgrade and a revamp of my channel. I don't know if any one of you have noticed, but if you go to my YouTube channel now, the icons are different. You have a new intro now, things like that. I felt like my channel needed some breathing, some life needed to be pushed into my channel, man. And that's one of the things that I'm always trying to do is revamp myself and redo things and just recreate a lot of stuff. But nonetheless, man, let's get into this video real quick. Let's go ahead and talk about what we need to talk about, because that's what y'all are here for, you feel me? So the biggest thing that I have noticed in the wave game as a misconception, and trust me guys, just pay attention to the end, just listen to the end. The biggest thing that I notice is a waiver always feels that they need the best product in order to get the best waves. And I'm going to be honest, that is entirely false. That is so false. It couldn't be any more false. It couldn't be any more of a lie than anything. Like seriously, you do not need the best products to get the best waves. Most waivers want to cut the process in half. They want to speed up the process. They want to get their waves faster, quicker, and more efficiently, doing half of the work. And really the only way you can do that is by getting better quality products and having consistency. That is actually the true form, and what you should be doing is getting better consistency with, doing all of your brush habits, your methods, all those things. Now hear me out. What I'm saying is this is what I'm saying. Better quality is going to give you better results. Lesser quality will still give you results, but it's just gonna take a little bit more time. You feel me? I mean, honestly, man, like I remember when I first was waving, man, I had a dollar store brush. I had a dollar store do-rag. My mirror was from Dollar Tree. My products were pink lotion and blue magic. That was and Royal Crown was my three products that I used. Man, y'all can't tell me y'all don't remember these products, dog. Like, for real, my mom had that blue magic in her little container. She'll use it on my sister's hair. And I'll be like, hold up, that smells good. You know what I'm saying? Let me throw a little something in my waves on them too. You know what I'm saying? And then that Royal Crown was like, boy, that junk had your hair shiny. Super shiny. And then you back it up with like some pink lotion. That pink lotion to have your hair like super soft. Hair be soft like a mud, bro. Like, you'll be loving that. You be loving it. Well, those were my products, man. And were they the best products? No, by far they probably were the worst of the worst. But I still used them and they worked for me. I still had waves. I was still dipping. I still had people always asking me questions about how I get my hair the way that I get it. Things like that. Man, I couldn't even wear a do-rag. I'm just thinking, I'm just like off to the side thinking, I didn't even wear my do-rag right. Like compared to how I wear my do-rag now, then back then we didn't like push, stretched out the, we didn't stretch out the strings or anything back in the day. We just tied the strings to the back and you just had them tight across your forehead, man. It was so funny. But that was the reality back then of, not having what we have today. And because of those times, that's when you had creators come out of nowhere and create these dope products, these quality, high quality products. Like if it wasn't for us having those things, and then someone saying like, hey, there's gotta be something better that we can do. That's where all these people come from, these creators, these BOBs. They basically was like, yo, man, this is for the community because the community needs it. You know what I'm saying? We're working harder, not smarter. So that's where all these BOBs came out the woodworks and just start pushing out higher quality product. You feel me? I gotta understand one thing. Y'all gotta understand one thing, people. All my wave fam. To make money, you gotta spend money. You gotta understand that. To make money, you gotta spend money. And what happens is the market itself winds up being a little expensive or out of the norm for a person who would spend $1 or $2 or $3 for a product. Now you have it sitting over here for maybe $15 or $20. A lot of people don't want to do that. You feel me? They don't want to conform to spending that much money. Like even me, I even did that. Like I could never, ever at first see myself spending $20 for a brush or $15, $20 for a 4 or 8 ounce of oil. I couldn't see myself doing that at first, but I thought about it. I was just like, I don't know, man, this product may be a nice product to have and it'll last me longer. So you got to think about that. Like, these type of products, they last you so much longer. So not only are you getting better quality, but your progress is coming in faster and you're able to do things faster. But you also have product that's not going to die out on you or, just damage over time quickly like it would have done before. I mean, come on, you can't beat that. But the misconception itself is saying that, okay, now that all this stuff is out and then you see all of us with this stuff, now the new ones coming in, they're looking like, oh, I must need that to be on that level. You don't. Because what I came from when it came to waving, I've had that simple stuff. If you need to, hey, ball from when you're within your means. Ball out within your means. And literally, if you have a budget, stay within that budget. Just stay within it, man. Don't worry about trying to get this big stuff. You know what I'm saying? Save your money and then maybe get one item at a time. But if you can't afford it, just continue what you're doing, man, and stay consistent. That's the key, man. That's the key, is for you to stay consistent with your wave journey. If you're consistent, it don't matter what you have. You can have a dollar store brush and I can have a Torino Pro or a royalty brush from Brush King. We still gonna get to the same area. We still gonna get to the finish line. You gotta think about the finish line. What's your why and how you gonna get to the end, you feel me? So make sure you understand that consistency with anything that you have can scream and be success. Do know that, again, that misconception is false. You don't need the best product. We prefer you to get the best product because of the benefits and the more efficient ways of doing things when it comes to waving. But you don't need it. You feel me? You can use your little dollar store brush and do what you need to do and what you want to do. But that's all I had, man. That's all I wanted to come here and talk to y'all about right quick, man. Of course, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy's channel. Make sure you hit some comments on this video, because in this video, I'm going to take the comments that I see in this video, I'm going to grab my phone, and I'm going to look at these comments, and I'm just going to be like, boom, free brush. Yes, I'm going to give away a free brush on my next video. My next video ain't going to technically be a good giveaway. It's just going to be me doing another tutorial, giving more advice or update to my waves or whatever. But I am going to come back to this video and make sure that person is subscribed to my channel to scroll down and see their comment. And it could be anything, man. You can just talk to me about how you feel about, having the best quality products versus having like the old school and not so great products, and how it works for you and your experience. Any comments, I just want to see them. The more comments, the better, because I feed off y'all, man, for real. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take them, boom, 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 click. I'm just gonna click on the name and I'm gonna give that person a free brush. I'm gonna send it to them and it ain't gonna be nothing. It ain't gonna be nothing. You feel me? But other than that, man, it is your boy HB. 3. 3. I'm out of here, man.